Hi students, good morning. So far we have discussed coaching part application of integral. The next topic is differential equation. Okay, differential equation. From this in CET there are 2 to 3 marks question they will ask. And first of all, order of dy by dx plus 6y equal to 7. This is the differential equation. Order. There are two important here, order and degree. Order means highest derivative. Highest derivative. So what is the derivative of highest derivative in this equation? First derivative dy by dx. D square y by dx square is this called second derivative. It is denoted by y double dash. D cube y by dx cube is third derivative. It is denoted by y triple dash, so on. Okay, order means highest derivative of the differential equation. Next, degree. Degree means highest power of highest order. For example, d square y by dx square plus 6 into dy by dx whole power 5 plus 7y equal to 0. In that, what is the order? Highest derivative is the first derivative, this is second derivative. So order is 2. Order is 2. Order is 2. Now highest degree. Degree means highest power of highest order. Highest order is this. What is the power of this? Is 1, not 5. Not 5 because it's not highest order. This is. So degree is 1. Degree is 1. Then one more important, while finding order and degree, if it is polynomial in terms of derivative, then degree exists. Otherwise degree does not exist. For example, dy by dx plus log y equal to 0. What is the order? Order is 1. Degree is also 1. Okay, here dy by dx plus log of dy by dx equal to 0. Here order is 1, but degree does not exist. Here derivative log of dy by dx, which is not polynomial in terms of derivative. Log y, it is not a polynomial, but it is not in terms of derivative. If it is not polynomial in terms of derivative, then degree does not exist. Log dy by dx, sin dy by dx, cos dy by dx, e power dy by dx, if comes no, degree does not exist. So order and degree from this compulsory question. See, some few examples I will discuss what is order and what is a degree. 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square equal to k into dy by dx whole square. So what is order? Is 2. What is degree? Highest power of order is 2. Order is 2 and degree is 2. Okay. So like this some problems we'll discuss later. Just basic I have discussed now. Order means highest derivative. Degree means highest power of highest derivative. Okay. While finding degree, check whether it is polynomial in terms of derivative or not. Otherwise degree does not exist. Rest. Next, if it is dy by dx, for example, y is equal to mx, where m is called arbitrary constant. Y is equal to 2x. 2 is not arbitrary constant. It is a constant. Y is equal to mx is arbitrary constant. How many arbitrary constant there? 1. Okay. Eliminate m and make it differential equation. So we have to apply a differentiation how many times? 1 times, because the order of the differential is equal to number of arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constants. So there is a 1 arbitrary constant, so we should apply derivative 1 time only. If there is a 2 constant, we have to apply 2 times differentiation and eliminate 2 arbitrary constants. Y is equal to mx, dy by dx equal to m. Now eliminate m, dy by dx equal to m. M is equal to y by x. m is equal to y by x. This is called differential equation of this. If you solve this, you will get this one. So this is called general solution of this one. Okay. So to solve the general solution, okay, there are methods: variable and separable, and homogeneous, and linear differential equation. There are three methods. So first one is variable and separable. dy by dx equal to y by x. X variable transpose to dx, y variable transpose to dy. This is like dy by y is a y variable, dx by x, integration of dy by y is log y, this is log x, plus constant is log c. So log of y equals log m plus log n, log of m into n. So y is equal to cx. This is c or m, both are arbitrary constant. You can, if you take m here, you will get m here. Y is equal to mx. So this is variable and separable method. Okay. Homogeneous means, let y is equal to homogeneous. In the competitive they will ask, very rare case. If it is dy by dx equal to x plus y by x minus y, degree same 1 1 1. If degree is same in each numerator and denominator, such function is called homogeneous differential equation. For example, dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 by x minus y plus 2. This is not homogeneous differential equation. Why? Because this degree is 0. This degree, all terms having not equal degree. So therefore it is not homogeneous. This is the homogeneous. If it is homogeneous, the way of solving is, let y equal to vx. Then dy by dx equal to v, x derivative is 1 plus x into dv by dx. That you can substitute in that, we will get the value. Again after substituting, we will get variable and separable. And one more is linear differential equation, which is most important. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where p and q are in terms of x are constant. If it is this form, the way of solving, first step is integrating factor, e power integration of p of x dx. Next, the general solution is y into integrating factor equal to integration of q of x into if into dx. Y into integrating factor equal to integration of q of x into if into dx. This is the general solution of this equation. Okay. Now if e power integration p dx. How to find? For example, dy by dx plus xy equal to 5. What is p? X. What is q? 5. So p and q are maybe constant or x. So p is equal to x, we have to substitute here. Then after that, general solution this is. Got a point? Yes. So integrating factor, from this concept, definite one question. Don't neglect this is. Okay. dy by dx plus p of x y equal to q of x. This is linear form. And one more form is reverse, dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. This is not there in the CET, so don't practice that one. This is enough. So now I am going to explaining linear differential equation problems. dy by dx minus y cot x equal to cosec x. What is the integrating factor? If of this. First option is sin x, second option is tan x, third option is sec x, fourth option is cosec x. IF which is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Tell me what is the p of x is? P of x equal to minus cot x, coefficient of y, and q of x equal to cosec x. Integrating factor e power integration of p dx, e power integration of p minus cot x dx, e power minus cot x integration log of sin x, e power log of sin x whole power minus 1. So which is equal to, this is e power log x base e equal to x. So by using this formula you will get this value. Sin x whole power minus 1 means 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x is cosec x. This is the answer, IF of this. Next, 1 plus x cube in dy by dx plus 3x square y equal to sin square x. In material you will get many questions, those you can go through that. Page number 72 you will get many questions. In that few I am discussing. Dy by dx, what is IF? Integrating factor of this. First divide by this. 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y. Make it the dy by dx coefficient as 1 equal to sin square x by 1 plus x cube. This is the p and this is the q. So integrating factor e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. E power, this derivative is here, so log of, this derivative is here, log of integration of f dash x by f of x equal to log of 1 plus x cube. What is the base? E. So 1 plus x cube is the IF of this. Compulsory question in CET, order and degree 1 question, and by using this integrating factor from this concept, any 1 question guarantee. Next, question number 129, IF of x log x dy by dx equals plus y equal to 2 log x. Divide by x log x dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 2 log x by x log x. Get cancelled. So integrating factor e power integration of p dx, e power integration of p 1 by x log x, e power integration of denominator here log x and 1 by x dx. Log x derivative is here 1 by x e power log of log x. What is the base e log x? Understood? This take up, this derivative is there, log of log x, log x. So let us practice CET questions, because in this topic CET questions and example problem, if you practice enough for the CET. So during this time you focus CET and example problem. These if you focus enough, you will get CET rank easily. Good rank you will get. Okay. Now previous CET questions. Previous CET questions. First question is the differential equation obtained by eliminating a and b, y equal to a cos omega x plus b sin omega x. Option A, y double dash plus y dash equal to 0. Option B, y double dash minus w square y equal to 1. Option C, y double dash equal to minus omega square y. Option D, y double dash plus y equal to 0. Here y equal to a into cos omega x plus b into sin omega x. A and b are arbitrary constants, so we should eliminate a and b. So we have to apply differentiation how many times? 2 times. So y dash first, minus a cos omega x differentiation minus sin omega x into omega, plus b cos omega x into omega. Second derivative y double dash. Why should find second derivative? Because there are 2 arbitrary constants are there. So we should apply differentiation 2 times. Minus a sin omega x differentiation cos omega x into omega square, minus b sin omega x into omega square. So minus omega square take common, a cos omega x plus b sin omega x. So minus omega square, which is equal to y. So y double dash equal to minus omega square y. This is the right. Next, the second question is dy by dx equal to 2 power y minus x. Option A. Okay, option A, B, C there. Okay, I am going to solve here. Dy by variable and separable, 2 power y by 2 power x. A raised to m minus n equal a raised to m by a raised to n. Cross multiply dy by 2 power y dx by 2 power x. Then apply integration 2 power minus y dy 2 power minus x dx. Apply integration of this 2 power minus y by log 2 and minus y differentiation with respect of 1 is minus 2 power minus x by log 2, okay, minus plus c. That is answer. Take this side. Okay, this log 2 is there not there in the option. Log 2 comes under constant. So this is plus 2 power minus x minus 2 power y, c log 2. C log 2 we can write constant. This is 1 by 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power phi equal to k. Next, third question, order and degree. Order and degree of the differential equation x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square plus y square equal to 0 are option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 1, option C 1 and 1, option D 2 and 2. Tell me order. What is the order? 2, highest derivative is the first derivative, second derivative, order is 2. And degree is the highest power of highest derivative. This is the highest derivative, power is 1, so degree is 1, 2 and 1, this option is right. Next one, y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx satisfies the following differential equation. Okay, same thing here. There are how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constant. So we have to eliminate a and b arbitrary constant and apply differentiation 2 times. So first y dash equal to a into e power mx into m plus b into e power minus mx into minus m, y double dash a into e power mx again m square, b into e power minus mx into minus m plus m square. M square take common here, a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx, m square which is equal to y. So y double dash equal to m square y. So option C, D option is right. Next, the solution of the equation dx by x plus dy by y equal to 0 is option A log x into log y equal to c, option 2 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to c, option C third x plus y equal to c, fourth one xy equal to c. Dx by x equal to minus dy by y. Apply integration on both sides. Dx by x is log x, this is log y plus constant log c. Transpose this side, log x plus log y equal to log c. Log m plus log n equal to log of m into n. So xy equal to c. This is. Seventh question, the differential equation for which sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c is given by the differential equation for which sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to c. Options are given. How many arbitrary constant? 1. So we have to apply differentiation one time and eliminate c. Sin inverse x differentiation 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into y dash equal to 0. Y dash by root of 1 minus y square equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is. The degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 4 equal to d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3. Degree. When it is fraction, degree always positive integer. When it is fraction, we have to remove the fraction. So to remove this, apply whole power what? Here 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So apply whole power 12 on both sides. 1 plus y dash square whole power 3 by 4 and whole power 12. Understood? Equal to d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 and whole power 12. It is get cancelled 3 4 ja 4 3 ja cancel. So 1 plus y dash whole square whole power 3 power 9. So d square y by dx square whole power 4. What is order? 2. Degree 4. Degree is 4. Order is, the question is degree, actually order is 2 and degree is 4. Some student they will put 1 by 3 fraction. If it is fraction, degree does not exist. Make it free from radicals. So 4 it is. Next, the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 1 plus cos 2y 1 minus cos 2x equal to 0. dy by dx 1 plus cos 2y is 2 cos square y, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus 2 cos square y by 2 sin square x. 2 get cancelled. Now use variable and separable. Y variable dy by cos square y minus dx by sin square x. Apply integration. Cos 1 by cos square y integration secant square y minus cosec square x dx. Secant square y integration tan y minus cos square x integration minus cot x plus c. This is the answer. Tan y minus cot x equal to c. Next, The differential equation representing a family of circle touching the y-axis at origin. Touching the y-axis at origin. This is this type of question. Now this year CET they won't ask because they have removed it. So even though I will tell here, if it is center lies on x-axis, the equation of circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx, here minus g comma minus f. F is 0 because center is lies on x-axis. Okay, and it is passing through origin, therefore constant also 0. This is x square plus y square plus 2gx equal to 0. General equation of circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. If center is lies on x-axis, this is 0, f is 0. Is passing through origin, then c. If touch the axis at origin means passing through origin, c 0. So how many arbitrary constant? Only one. So we have to apply differentiation one time and eliminate arbitrary constant. So x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative is 2y into y dash plus 2g equal to 0. Then 2g equal to minus of 2x plus 2y into y dash. That is substitute here. X squared plus y squared plus 2g minus of 2x plus 2y into y dash x equal to 0. Simplify, you will get the answer here. X squared plus y squared minus 2x squared minus 2xy y dash equal to 0. X square minus 2x square is minus x square, y square minus x square minus 2x y dash equal to 0. That is the answer. Next one, next question is non-homogeneous, they won't ask. And order and degree of the differential equation. Question number 14, 1 plus y dash whole power 5 whole power 1 by 3 equal to y double dash. Here make it free from radicals. So apply whole power 3. 1 plus y dash whole power 5 whole power 1 by 3 whole power 3. 1 equal to y double dash whole power 3. So what is order? What is order? Highest derivative 2. So degree 3. Highest power of highest order is 3. Next, question number 18. The order and degree y is equal to dp by dx into x equal to a square p square plus b square, where p is equal to dy by dx. P is equal to dy by dx. Then what is order? P is equal to dy by dx means here dy by dx whole square here. Here dp by dx. So dp by dx equal to d by dx of dy by dx, which is equal to d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square means order is 2. So highest power is order is 2. So what is degree? Squaring on both sides this. If you squaring on both sides, dp by dx x whole square equal to a square p square plus b square. This is the second derivative. If you write dp by dx equal to d square y by dx square, power is 2. Order 2, degree 2. That is first option.